All right, so on these, it says if the slope of the line passing through the points is negative 5, 6, and 5y, if the slope is negative 4/5, find y. So this time, we're either finding the x or a y. So the formula that we use is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, this time we have an m. What is our m? M is our slope. What is our slope? Negative 4 over 5. So we're going to put negative 4 over 5 equals our y2. What's our y2?
The second y.
Just y. Yeah. Minus what's our y1?
Negative 5.
Okay, guys, this is x1, y1, x2, and y2. So yeah, it should be 6 over x2. x2 is 5 minus x1, negative 5. So does everyone see how we set up what we've set up?
Yeah.
Yes.
Anybody got a guess of what we're going to do to find y? Okay, if you don't have a guess, we're going to cross multiply. So negative 4 times that. So that's going to be written as negative 4 times 5 minus negative 5 equals 5 times that. So 5 times y minus 6. So we have to cross multiply on this. Well, this left side you could just do 5 minus negative 5. Well, 5 minus negative 5 is 10. Then negative 4 times 10 is negative 40. So that's our left side. That part was pretty easy. The right side we got to distribute. 5 times y is 5y. And then 5 times negative 6 is minus 30. So now we have a normal two-step equation. So what do I got to do now? Add 30.
Both sides. That'd be negative.
And that will give you negative 10 equals 5y. Divide by 5.
Negative 2.
You get y equals negative 2. So these require a good bit more work.
Yeah.
Still not that hard. It just requires some more work.
Can you type
So, no, there's no shortcut with Desmos. I'm sorry. So, number 13. We have 2 as our m equals, what's going to go on top?
6 and negative 2.
6 minus negative 2, good, over x minus negative 3. And guys, I don't like seeing this minus and negative. What's the same thing as minusing and negative? Adding, yeah. So let's just go ahead and change both of those. Instead of it being minus and negative, just go ahead and put plus. Just because it's easier to look at. Well, what do you notice about this number that was different than this m? This m was written as a what? Fraction.
You gotta put a 1 under it.
Very good, Gus. So yeah, you put a 1 over it. So now we cross multiply. 2 times x plus 3. And then 1 times 6 plus 2. So what would I do now? Distribute. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. And what's 6 plus 2?
8.
What's 1 times 8? 8. So now we just solve like a normal equation. Get 2x equals 2. Divide by 2. X equals 1. And that's all you do on these. It does take some more work. It takes a little bit more time. But that's all you got to do. You want me to do one more with you?
Or, yeah, can you do all of them with them?
No, I'm not going to do all of them. Which one do you want me to do? Which one looks confusing?
18.
18? Okay. So I'll skip down and do 18. So we have negative 1/5 And I always put my negative with the top number. You could put it with your bottom, it doesn't really matter. Y2 is 8, minus Y1 is 7, over X2 is 11, minus X1 is just X. So cross multiply. That'd be negative 1 times 11 minus X equals 5 times 8 minus 7. Negative 1 times 11 is negative 11. Negative 1 times negative x is a positive x. Equals 5, let's see, 8 minus 7 is 1. 5 times 1 is 5.
Plus 11.
So now, yep, add 11.
16.
Get x equals 16. And you're done. I will give you a hint. You won't get any fractions or decimals for your answers on this. All right, now y'all try the rest of them on your own.